How to turn on live photos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the TikTok application. Make sure you are logged into your account. After you have logged into your account, in order to turn on the live photos on TikTok, first of all, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. As you tap on your profile, simply what you need to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. So let's just tap on the profile and then tap on the hamburger icon. As you tap on the hamburger icon, you'll be able to see the option of settings and privacy, so just tap on it. Now scroll down and under content and display category, you can see the option of accessibility over here. So tap on accessibility. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of animated thumbnails under the motion category. So just tap on animated thumbnails over here. And as you enable this option, you will be able to turn on the live photos on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.